Okay, first thing you need to do is make sure that you've labelled your document correctly, then add in your ingredients in the right column. Before you add in any of your prices, you need to make sure that you format the cells as currency. And now when you add any price in there, it will instantly record it as pounds or whichever currency you've selected. Now because we're using grams and our price is in kg, just select the amount used column and make sure that you've selected it as 3 decimal places, and that way it's easy to read and see exactly how much you need of each ingredient. Okay, first formula, make sure it starts with an equals. You're going to multiply, so you use the asterisk to show that it's a multiplication of each cell. If you select the little blue button, you can scroll down and add the formula all the way across. We want to carry across our cost to the cost of recipe, so equals and the number of the cell D13. Servings is 12, so cost per portion is G3 divided by G4. And now cost on menu is the cost per portion times by 3 or 4 just to give us our food cost. And now the last thing to do is to make it look pretty, and you have your working spreadsheet. Well done.